If you are a small business owner, you may be wondering how ClickUp can benefit your business. And to answer that, I wrote a story. Meet Jack. Jack runs a small business that does coaching. But Jack has a problem. All of the details about how he runs the business are stuck in his head. Jack is every day stuck in firefighting mode. But Jack's not alone. He has a team of 5 people, and he knows they're busy, but he doesn't really know if they're productive. And he's actually stayed at the same revenue for the last year. So Jack needs help. Jack goes to a consultant named John. John takes a look at Jack's technology and listens to his challenges and his goals. And then John provides Jack a plan to help him move beyond an owner reliant business to one that is systems driven with a solid team and intelligent business controls. So he lays out a plan. Over the next 60 days, John guides Jack in setting up the 4 core systems he will need to automate his business. Those are 1. A lead generation system, a system for helping him find prospects. 2. A lead conversion system to help him close sales. 3. A production and delivery system to help him produce and fulfill on his core product or service. And number 4, collection system so that he can collect on all the money that he is owed. So John recommends that he build these systems in ClickUp because of 4 benefits. Number 1, it's simple and quick to get set up. Number 2, it offers lots of flexibility to customize it for his unique business processes. Number 3, it offers automation to help 10x his productivity. And number 4, it's affordable. So they begin, and 30 days later, after all the systems were set up, Jack closes 5 times more deals than he did within the first 7 days. He has a dashboard where he can see that he will reach his monthly revenue goal 9 days sooner than last month. He is now able to delegate tasks to his team and monitor their productivity. He can visually see every aspect of his business and where clients are in the funnel in real time. But what's most surprising to Jack was that he took his first unplugged vacation and his team didn't bug him for any questions. His team had SOPs and ClickUp, and now they're completely autonomous, executing the actions on his business like a Swiss clock. So, you could build these systems using a collection of other apps hacked together, or you could be like Jack and invest in ClickUp to move beyond an owner-reliant business to one that is systems-driven. Jack finally has clarity in his business and is no longer in firefighting mode, but now working on the vision and plan to grow his business over the next 2 years. Jack can finally work on his business and no longer in his business. So if you want to be like Jack and invest in ClickUp to automate your business, you could click the link below to learn how to get started. I'm Jonathan Acuna. It's always great to see you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Stay blessed.